If you want to use Interpreter for real-life conversations on Samsung Galaxy A57, then unfortunately there is no built-in option that allows you to do so. Simply, there is no built-in feature on this phone. However, what you can do is you can use free third-party apps. Actually, just one app is enough, of course, and that allows you to simply use the live translator or interpreter for real-life conversations. So if we go to the Play Store, we should be able to, of course, use the search option, and you can just type something like translator or something, or interpreter maybe. And in my case, I'm going to use Google Translate app, simply because it is for free, it doesn't contain any ads, and it actually has the reputation of being one of the best translating apps right now. So once we get the app, we can of course open it straight away, and as you can see right off the bat, we have this pop-up information that says that we can try out the conversation mode. So this is exactly what we are looking for. So we're gonna tap over here in order to open this mode. We need to grant the permission for the app to use the microphone, so that we can say things out loud, and then our speech is going to be converted into a text and then also translated. As you can see, it works immediately. You can tap on this area at the bottom of the screen in order to disable the microphone if you don't want to use it. And later on, once you say your sentences, if you want to say whatever you want to say in your language, then the other person can of course play back the translation pretty easily, so that they don't have to really read anything, so you can play it for them. Also here, of course, we can choose our languages, which languages you want to work with. Of course, one of these languages should be your language and the other person's language as well. You can tap on this star icon in the middle of the screen in order to split the microphone into two microphones for each language, of course. So if the app has trouble with detecting the correct language, then this might be really helpful. Also, we can switch to this face-to-face view, which might be really convenient, of course, as well. So if you are standing right in front of someone, this can be really useful. Besides that, we can tap on the setting icon here in the upper right corner to find some additional options, like for example the automatic playback. So whenever the translation, or once you are done with your speech or the other person is done with their speech, then the translation is going to be automatically read aloud. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.